Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily turn on the game mode for low latency on your Sharp Google TV. So first, let's go over to quick settings. Do not click all settings here, go over to the picture. Now here we need to scroll down to advanced settings, it's almost at the bottom. And here, as you guys can see, we will have the game mode right here. I do not have any games installed, and yes, you need to be in game to change that. So I cannot enable it now, but if you have any games downloaded on your TV, then you should be able to enable the game mode and you should get lower latency than normal. So this is where you guys can enable it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, sub, and a comment. Bye.